Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll learn how to save a Snapchat story. As much as we love posting a Snapchat story, we also love keeping it to ourselves. Snapchat allows you to save your own stories, but please remember that you can't directly save someone else's story without their knowledge. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and create your story by tap on your emoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Next screen, tap on Add Snap button in My Story. When you choose your story, tap on My Story button in the bottom right corner. Your story will be added. Now open your story which you want to save, tap on three dot buttons at top right corner. In the last, tap on the Save button in the bottom. Now your Snapchat story is saved. You can use it whenever you want in the future. That's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.